Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. Today we are going to discuss how to use the if error function in Excel. Basically, if error function in Excel is used to handle errors in Excel formulas by providing an alternative value or action if an error occurs. It is particularly useful when you want to prevent error messages from appearing in your worksheet or when you want to display a specific message or value when error occurs. This is Excel sheet. I want to show you how to use or how the if error works, how the if error function works on data. So first of all, let me write it is like this. If I want to apply this value by this text value, so normally the numeric value cannot be divided by the text value and it gives an error. So let me try it this way and we check what message it gives by default. Divide by this and press enter. So you see it gave hash value. That means your formula has some kind of error and the required function cannot be performed. So if we want to use the if error function, we will write the if error function. I'm sorry for it. If and tab. Then I will divide this value, divide by this, and I will give a message if the formula or if there is some kind of problem in the formula, then it should give message like this: the division error, and then closing the bracket, enter. So you see that it gave a customized message that is division error. If I drag this formula to the next cells, it will do the same thing. But if I change the value, this value, and I divide 1198 divided by 225, that means numerical value is divided by the numerical value and it will not give any kind of error. So you see that it calculated it rightly. The answer is 5.32. Similarly, this function can be applied to other type of errors and you can show a customized message or any value you want to show through this function. My friends, I hope you like this video. If so, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful video tutorial. See you in next video.